Hello guys! Today we are going to show you our very smart Cross Hedge EA, which is based on zone recovery algorithm. Let's understand zone recovery algorithm first. So, it's a type of hedging strategy which takes trade both way where markets start to move instantly. Let's say if EA opened a buy trade and market starts to move in opposite direction, then EA takes a sell trade with an increased lot size than previous buy trade. And if market again reverses its direction in favor of buy trade, then again it open a new buy at same place of initial trade. Doing this way, it ends with a profit no matter in what direction the market will move. Let's begin with its back test on gold metal. We have tested it on last year time period on 15 minutes chart. Now we should have a look on inputs for gold. Every pair will have a different settings. So here, main inputs are initial lot, lot martingale, hedge gap pips, and close money. One more important thing is, when you will purchase the bot, always contact developer immediately and ask for set files before use. Let's begin our test. You can use this EA on any high volatile pair, like Volatility Index, US 500, Germany 30 Index, US 30 Index, crypto pairs, etc. A nice trick to use EA with indices is that activate the EA at opening time of indices pairs, as at that time market have high volatility. And also we have inserted time filter to start and stop the EA in our latest updated version. So to get the copy of EA, find the link in description. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe our channel to get latest updates about our new forex products and services.